Guys, ayan, ngaon na sila pamahaw, guys. Pagkaon, sige na lang. Kay maaga silang, mag-school ngayon. Ang pamahaw ni Sofia, libro. Ang breakfast ni Sofia, guys, libro. Ayan. Di pa kasi natapos si Sofia nag-study. So, breakfast si Sofia. Ang unang-unang breakfast si Sofia ay libro. Pagising kanina, libro. Tapos, hotdog. Ang ulam ni Sofia. May tuyo, may chicken nuggets. Breaded chicken pala. Milo, tsaka ate gatas. May katabi pang, new set. Sinisipon kasi si Ate Kenzie. Good morning, Te. Good morning, Sophia.
Tugnaw.
Tugnaw.
Sinadaan na, Mimi.
Sinadaan na. Sige, kain na. Kain na, mag-Milo or mainitan natin yan. Siras na. Alas 6:05. 6:05.
Hindi ako kaabot na lang siya. Kaluhin na sa itong baby na.
Isa wala pa. Again.
Yan tayo, guys.
Rice naman na.
Mawala yung suka.
Tuyo ra. Oh, na suka na. Ah. Ibalhin ang buwad sa pikas na.
My little sushi.
Ikaw, daghan lang. Ikaw mo chicken de lang. Pagbaw na kas chicken. Paglingkod ka.
Ikaw ba ang chicken yan? Hindi.
Ayan, pakain tayo ng breakfast sa ating alagang manok. Wala si Chokoy, ning kaon man si Chokoy. Ayan na Chok. Dili na imo ha.
One hour later.
Thank you very much, Tita. You just gave me 3 pairs of shoes there. And 6 pairs of socks there. And thank you very much. You just gave us blessings and a lot of food. You just gave us any day or every month. And thank you very much. You just gave me all candies and shoes, socks, and that. Thank you very much, Tita. Maraming salamat po. God bless. You already know my foot size, Tita. God bless. Bye-bye. So, I will gonna wear this like heels. First day of school in Baguio. There we go. So, let me show you my new socks and my new shoes.
Wow, sinaw kaayo guys, oh. Thank you so much, Jud Anite. Kadong usa. Sandal, sakto kaayo. Ang usa pa gyud lang. Grabe daghan na, oy. Wow. Very nice, kaayo lang.
So I will wear this every Monday and this every Tuesday and this every Wednesday and this every Thursday, this every Friday.
How about your old shoes? Your old shoes. You will not wear your old shoes? Why?
That is already broken.
Broken nga, bago pang man ito. Dali na naguba, no?
So let's wear it now.
Si Lola Pors. Tuwang-tuwa si Lola Pors. Good morning, La.
Good morning.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what I want na socks because they have lace in it.
Sakto kayo, sibo.
Bigay niya na blessings.
Thank you so much. Always thankful yun lang, whatever you receive lang. Wow, napade mo na mong favorite day lang, nga na ay lace lang. Nga naon na pagbutang. Pwede po na siya gi-us-us. Saan man pag-us-us. Gusto kag pinataas di ay. Ipang uli sana imong kuan. Imuhang mga shoes isut sa silupin aron dili na siya mabugan.
Sibo ko sandal eh.
Sibo kayo.
Guys, thanks for watching, and I already filed my shoes up because I'm gonna go to school now.
To school, Sophia. Doon kami sa ano guys, sa crossing mag-abang ng sasakyan.